Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba ukuthi uyaphila-ke. Mina ngizocela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke uma ngabe usamusha kuleli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke lapho ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje, akubizi imali, kumahhala nje. Awukhiphe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke, leli-ke khona uzokwazi ukuthi-ke uyithole zonke-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezenzakalayo-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke sewungakwenza-ke nje lapho-ke njengamanje usicindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje, akubizi imali, kumahhala nje usho nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke. Leli-ke udaba okulethele lona namhlanje sike inkantolo isemqumbe phansi-ke laphana-ke uJacob Zuma kithi-ke ngeke aze akwazi ukuthi-ke aye ephalamende-ke, kodwa-ke MK-ke ithi-ke lesinqumo lesi izosithatha-ke isiphindise emuva-ke laphana-ke iyo-complain-a-ke, kodwa-ke angifuni soze ngamdlalela nje ividiyo yomuntu-ke ku-MK-ke laphana-ke echaza kabanzi ukuthi-ke MK-ke izokwenzenjani-ke ngaso-ke lesinqumo lesi-ke masuzile le video le. Ngicela ukuthi ungene ema-comment section-ke ufike ushiye umbono wakho-ke ngalo lolu daba-ke lolu-ke masicindezela nebhasi nje subscribe nje, akubizi mali, kumahhala nje kusho nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke nawe-ke le video-ke awuyithokozele.
All right, guys, so the ConCourt has delivered its judgment this morning, and it found that President Jacob Zuma is not eligible to stand for parliament. However, I need to make this point very clear that as MK, we are testing the laws in this country. Remember, we are using Roman Dutch law. And that's the reason why we say that we need to have a complete overhaul of our legal system. So this is all a test of the laws of this country. What is important is that Justice Theron delivered the judgment in which he stated that the judgment can be appealed by the same court. So the legal representatives of MK will definitely be considering this judgment, and I'm certain that it will be appealed. Once it's appealed, it means that that judgment is set aside until the appeal is heard. That's how the law works. So let's wait for further developments in this regard.